Hey guys, welcome to 18 Answers with Zaria. Only me for 15 being bad, Trion. So he not with me. So what's up? I went to Walmart. Went to Walmart. I had a slime package. I went to Walmart and picked it up from Samba.com. Okay, that's what I got. So let's open all the stuff up. This is the thing to say. I'm actually trying to find a note because I don't know what the note back. The note right here. It says I have rainbow slime for $10. I bought rainbow slime and I bought the golden slime for $5 and she also gave me extra like glitter and stuff and I got it from rainbow.com. But Slimer.com, but she never put can you get it from and stuff like that. So next is let me just do that. It's like a little phone case thingy. I got flow glues and all of them full to the top. You heard? All of them full to the top. They need filled. So I'm gonna put this back and I'm gonna put this letter in here. There's a believe. Yeah. So put that in here. You need to put this in here. Yeah. That was good so far. Like nothing was missing up because my list from her, like from slime funny, it was like messed up. Why if you got a school thingy? Oh my gosh, look at this. And it got slime in here. So y'all, I guess this supposed to be the $5 slime. And look where it's at. Look how it looks. And this is this rainbow looking slime. And it's all popped up. Like, come on. This stuff is, it can't even scratch. It can't even like, this how hard it is. Like, so hard, y'all. What kind of fun is it? I'll pay $2 for this time. And then Rick, I'm gonna come back. So this is it right here. This is it right here. You need to not look at this fucking slime. I do not like this one. I would never get in from her again. She would waste all my money. Let's try the other slime. This one is a fail. This one, I would give this one a 2. Because, first of all, it don't scratch. Every time you scratch it, it breaks. Second of all, when you try to put it together, it don't want to go together. And third of all, when you poke it, it poke. But fourth of all, you can't like make bubbles or nothing. Like you can't even do this. Like and fold it and crunch it, cause it's not gonna crunch. Let's try this one right here. This one looks so I would get the rainbow one as well. And the reason why they call it rainbow because it got lots of good, like red, blue, green, and silver. Then got gold. Oh my gosh, look at inside here. Can't even see stuff. Oh my god. I like how this one feels. Look. This one good. Let me take out the rest. I'm gonna come back and I take out everything. So I got the slime out. You just have to wait. This how it look. It's like small, and it's not the rainbow slime. It's golden. This slime is not gold or clear, and everything is good about it. It's just like when you try to pick it up, it's sticking on you. Just the red part, but it do scratch. But I don't like it. I don't like the texture. I like how it scratch, but like, come on now. It's always sticking to your hand. So I'm gonna put it down a little. This is my favorite slime. So I give this one a 10. Because this is the favorite. So thank y'all for watching my video. Try, comment, please give me a thumbs up. Peace. And go check out our introduction of me and the headlines. See y'all.